Nanorobotics in medicine, AI doctors inside your bloodstream. The future of medicine may not be found in a doctor's office, but rather swimming through your veins. Imagine tiny, intelligent machines, nanorobots, patrolling your bloodstream, diagnosing diseases at their earliest stages, delivering targeted therapies, and even performing microsurgery. This is the promise of nanorobotics in medicine, a field rapidly gaining traction fueled by advancements in nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. The vision, a microscopic revolution in healthcare. Nanorobotics, at its core, envisions the creation and manipulation of robots on a nanometer scale, 1/1,000,000th of a meter. In the medical context, these nanobots could perform a myriad of tasks, including early disease detection. Nanobots equipped with sophisticated sensors could constantly monitor blood chemistry, identifying biomarkers associated with diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, or heart disease years before conventional diagnostic methods can. Targeted drug delivery. Instead of broad-spectrum treatments with debilitating side effects, nanobots could precisely deliver drugs directly to cancerous cells, plaques in arteries, or other affected areas, maximizing efficacy and minimizing damage to healthy tissues. Microsurgery and tissue repair. Imagine repairing damaged tissues at the cellular level, clearing blocked arteries, or even performing intricate surgical procedures inside the body without invasive incisions. Nanobots could potentially achieve this with unparalleled precision. Immune system enhancement. Nanobots could be designed to boost the immune system's ability to fight off infections and diseases, offering a proactive defense against various threats. Real-time health monitoring. Continuous monitoring of vital signs, nutrient levels, and other physiological parameters could provide valuable data for personalized health management and preventative care. The role of AI. Empowering the nanobots. While nanobots offer incredible potential, their effectiveness is significantly amplified by AI. AI algorithms can provide nanobots with autonomous navigation and decision-making. Navigating the complex landscape of the human body requires sophisticated algorithms. AI allows nanobots to autonomously navigate through blood vessels, identify target sites, and make real-time decisions about treatment strategies. Data analysis and diagnosis. The sheer volume of data collected by nanobots can be overwhelming. AI can analyze this data to identify patterns, predict disease progression, and personalize treatment plans. Personalized medicine. AI can tailor the function of nanobots to an individual's unique genetic makeup, medical history, and lifestyle, ensuring the most effective and personalized treatment possible. Adaptive learning. AI allows nanobots to learn from their experiences and adapt their behavior to improve their performance over time. Current research and challenges. While the vision is compelling, significant challenges remain before nanorobotics becomes a mainstream medical practice. Key areas of ongoing research include biocompatibility. Ensuring that nanobots are non-toxic and do not trigger adverse immune responses is paramount. Power source. Developing reliable and long-lasting power sources for nanobots is a major hurdle. Manufacturing and scalability. Producing nanobots in mass quantities with consistent quality and performance is a significant engineering challenge. Control and communication. Establishing reliable methods for controlling nanobots and receiving feedback from them is crucial. Ethical considerations. Addressing potential ethical concerns related to privacy, security, and equitable access to nanorobotic technologies is essential. Potential impact and future outlook. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of nanorobotics in medicine are too significant to ignore. If successfully developed, nanorobotics could revolutionize disease diagnosis and treatment, leading to earlier detection, more effective therapies, and improved patient outcomes. Extend lifespans and improve quality of life by proactively addressing health issues and maintaining optimal bodily function. Reduce healthcare costs through preventative care and more efficient treatment methods. The journey towards AI-powered nanobots patrolling our bloodstreams is still in its early stages. However, with continued advancements in nanotechnology, AI, and biomedical engineering, this once futuristic vision may one day become a reality, ushering in a new era of precision medicine and personalized healthcare.